United States Department of Agriculture logo. Berry Medley and Quinoa breakfast bake. Recipe for children ages 6 through 18. Team Nutrition CACFP Easy Recipe Project. This recipe makes 6 servings, takes 10 minutes to prep, and 30 minutes to cook. Let's get started. Wash your hands for 20 seconds using soap and water. Lather hands and rinse off soap. Use a paper towel to dry hands. Turn on the oven and preheat to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The recipe ingredients are shown on a cutting board. Spray a pan with cooking spray. In a large bowl, combine a half cup of quinoa, 1 cup of rolled oats, 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2½ cups of low-fat milk, and 6 cups of blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries. Stir. Pour the mixture into the prepared baking dish. Place the baking dish in the preheated oven. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Check the temperature. The internal temperature should be 140 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. Remove the pan and allow it to cool for 5 minutes. Stir. Serve a cup. The CACFP crediting for Berry Medley and Quinoa breakfast bake for children ages 6 through 18 is as follows. The serving size is 1 cup. It provides a half cup fruit and 1 ounce equivalent grains. This recipe is whole grain rich. The source is the Team Nutrition CACFP Easy Recipe Project. United States Department of Agriculture bumper. USDA is an equal opportunity provider, employer, and lender. See complete recipe and more at www.fns.usda.gov/team-nutrition-recipes. QR code is shown with instructions to scan the QR code with your mobile device.